Houston, we have a problem.
Sounding good though. All right, guys, as you heard in that video, yeah, it is not knocking, which is a good thing. I think it's something else. Even my brother said. But I got the engine apart. Got the head off. I'm going to be replacing the other one. That one is off. Let me show you what happened. A lot of the parts in here. And I got everything labeled that I have to put, I'm going to put back on. But try not to get my hands dirty because I just washed them and I'm fit to eat. I am very, very hungry. So let's move this one. And I think it's this. No, it's the other one. Okay, if you can see the bolt when I drilled it, you can see I really didn't do a good job at drilling it. Let me try to focus here. It's a terrible drill. So yeah, that happened. I'm gonna get a new header on that side, the passenger side. And while I was at it, I have to do the head gasket, so I took the driver's side off too. So why not just do both at the same time? You see this dent right here? I kind of got mad and threw a wrench at it. But the engine is like, it's very clean, see? But I'm gonna have to get some scrub stuff and scrub that out. Cover that back up. So nothing gonna get in it. But yeah, I had another video for you guys, but that one is out the door, and I might upload or might not. I don't know. I'll see if I feel like uploading that one, because that one right there basically is just showing me redoing the timing on the car. As you heard the previous video, and all that oil was coming out, I just said, let me just go ahead and just take the heads off the car. But the knocking is not knocking, but the little knocking sound, that is from the oil not getting to the timing and the little things, these things here. Sorry for the wind. Not getting to these things right here. The rockers, yeah, the rockers. There was no oil getting to that, so that's why you heard the knocking. But the piston rods are good. That's 100% good. But yeah, the knocking isn't a big deal. Once I rebuild everything, get the thick oil that I need, then it's gonna be more quieter. But it runs. That's the thing. The car runs. The timing was on, which is good. the car ran, and I'm gonna have to get a new exhaust on it. So yeah, that's what's up. Well, guys, if you guys like this short video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.